Never mind, Serena. We have a dog to find.
Genevieve! Genevieve! Wait for Vicky! I get to brush my hair. She's about so big, with a pink bow in her hair. She's really brave and a fabulous swimmer. She runs really fast. She's got big golden eyes. She's got
Madeline.
fluffy ears. And, well, I can't tell you anymore, but please find her.
You did very well.
Genevieve!
Genevieve!
Excuse me, Mom.
Genevieve! Have you seen our dog, Genevieve? No. Genevieve! 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 Have you seen that dog? Huh? She's quite skinny and she's about that big. Yeah. And it's a Labrador, a golden receiver.
Oh, je suis désolée, mes enfants, je ne l'ai pas vu.
Are you sure?
Oui, oui.
Genevieve! She's gone. Genevieve's gone.
No, she's not. We'll find her. I promise you. We have to have faith.
I used to wish so hard for my parents to be alive again. But you can't make something happen just by wishing for it. Genevieve's gone. She doesn't have a home. She needs a home.
I know she does.
I need a home too.
Madeline, you will always have a home.
Yes, but it won't always be with you, will it? Will it?
Madeline, there's no place on earth I'd rather be than with you and the other girls. You know that, don't you?
Get your tickets now!
Ils sont vraiment extraordinaires.
Last chance!
Ils sont fantastiques.
Messieurs, last chance! Here
Ah!